Let's talk about a new way of doing your videos today. Um, there are videos, and people making big money on them with them by just let's just say you like gardening. Set up your camera, film yourself for 30 minutes, 45 minutes while you're out there doing whatever you do. That's your video. Now, you don't have to put any sound to that video as far as that recording is concerned. When you get ready to upload it, you just put a soundtrack of music of you working in your garden. You doing about anything, cooking. If you love to cook, while you're cooking your dinner, set up a camera. Record that 20 minutes or 25 minutes or however long it is to cook that meal, the process that you're going through. You don't have to say anything. You don't have to talk. And at the end of that, that's your video. And now all you do is just put a music soundtrack to that. There is your channel. Do that every night. Do that every day. Do it every other day. Do it 4 or 5 times a week. Be consistent at it like we've all talked about, like I've been preaching for a while. But that's your channel. That's your video. That's the way to get in the door of doing this. Is do something that you do normally and don't worry about the sound part of it. It's very simple to put a soundtrack underneath that of music right off of YouTube. YouTube has a full music library that you can use that you don't have to worry about copyrights or anything else. And just do a channel of you doing what you do without talking, not worrying about the voice part. And just set up a camera, set it still, check it out, make sure it's going to cover where you're going to be for the next 20 or 30 minutes, and go about your day. Film it. Upload it. You're going to be surprised if you're doing that consistently. There are channels out here. Actually, I'm watching some of these. I'm picking up on the simple. And I told you, if I can find a way to keep this simple, I'm going to keep it. And if I find something new, I'm going to tell you about it. Well, I've come across people that have fairly popular channels. They are making an income off of it. Just filming what they do when they're working in their yard, when they're working inside the house, their little chores or whatever they're doing. I saw one where the lady, all she does is film her washing her laundry. When she's at the laundry, at her washing machine, putting her clothes in, blah, blah, blah. And then the next time, and she puts a series of these laundry washings together, taking her clothes out of there. That's her channel. You got to be kidding me. I told you, do this. This is easy. You can come up with something that you do that is probably entertaining. If not, get your neighbor to do something. Ask them if you can film them while they're every day they go out and do something in their yard or whatever. Film them. Ask them. Just be creative. Be something new a little bit. You're going to be surprised. And along doing a channel like that, it's going to help you see how easy this is. You're going to see a little bit of response. And then we can start talking about the faceless stuff that I've been trying to tell you about. But it's gotten simple. And when I come across this today, I said, I have to tell people about this. Just, go out and work in the yard and film it. I saw one where the lady she has a garden. And she goes, I've told you before, don't do this. Okay? But for some people, you need this kind of little something to do to get used to doing YouTube. She films herself as she goes out and works in her garden and she was picking some tomatoes on the thing. And, she does a series of these little garden things. And surprisingly, she's got an audience. She's got enough subscribers. She's, making money off of her channel. But she's going to do it anyway. She's going to go out and pick the tomatoes. She's going to go out and do this stuff. So she's filming it. That's what I've been trying to tell people. This is easy, and it looks like YouTube definitely awards these if you do it right. And I've told you how to do it now. The tools that are all down here in the bottom and everything. ChatGPT, TubeMagic. Oh my God, I love TubeMagic. And video, they do all my faceless basically do my faceless videos for me. And then VidIQ, God bless those guys. I'll say it again. I'll say it every time I ever bring up their name. God bless those guys. They've made it easy. And there's other AI systems or AI apps and stuff that you can use out here. They cost. Yes, you can do that. You can make it as fancy. You can spend as much time on these videos as you want. I told you I'm not going to talk about a whole lot of that. The thing here is keeping it simple and getting someone motivated to get into this, because I've seen right from the get-go when if you go back and look at my videos, I've been doing this a little bit. This channel here launched, I guess, tomorrow. Well, the 1st of January was the first video, 2025, of this channel. And like I said, this is just for me to express what I'm seeing, what I'm coming across. And so just hang with me and check back with me, and I'm going to keep you informed if I come across something like I've told you. But this is a pretty cool way of just do what you do. Film what you do on a daily basis. It can't get much easier than that. You're going to do it anyway. You're going to cook that meal. You're going to clean the house. I don't care. I haven't seen one of those. I need to go look for one of those, see if there's a house cleaner. I'm sure there probably is. And just get involved. That's all I can say on that one. But like I want to express something else that I've already talked about on the earlier video, and that's don't tell anyone. If you do a channel, and I'm sure some of you have already done your channels, I'm understanding that that's a no to when you first start your channel. You guys got your channels and they're already up and everything. You're looking back at me and going, "Oh, this guy don't know crap." You're right. I don't. I'm learning. I'm paying attention. So keep doing what you guys are doing, and I'm learning from you. So if you need a comment, let me know. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know. I'm just trying to tell you what I'm learning. And if I keep you informed long enough to make someone happy, that's cool. So I'm not going to stammer anymore. I'm going to let you go. This is a very short video. I just needed to, get the word out on that. I did another video earlier today, but I'm going to put a link at the end of this video. I'm going to try to put it on this side right here. And this is to make money mad. Go watch this video. If you've made it this far, this one, go watch this video. If you're new and you're wanting to do YouTube, watch this video next. After you subscribe, ring the bell, and do all that kind of stuff. All right? You guys have a good evening. All right? Daddy-O out.